Have you ever wondered which foods should or shouldn't be paired with cucumber? Let's explore the best and worst combinations for your health. Cucumber is often praised for its incredible health benefits. This low-calorie, hydrating vegetable is full of vitamins and minerals that make it a superfood. It can help improve your skin, boost immunity, and even aid in detoxification. However, despite being a healthy choice, cucumber can sometimes have adverse effects when paired with certain foods. The right combinations can amplify its benefits, while the wrong ones can limit its nutritional value. In this article, we will dive deep into the 3 worst foods to pair with cucumbers and the 3 best foods that enhance its health properties. Whether you're looking to improve skin health, heart health, or simply get the most out of your cucumber, understanding these pairings will help you make the best choices for your diet. Let's start by looking at the worst combinations. Though these foods may seem like healthy options when paired with cucumber, they can interfere with its nutritional benefits. The 3 worst foods to pair with cucumbers. 1. Carrots and cucumbers. It might seem like a good idea to enjoy cucumbers and carrots together. Both are fresh, hydrating, and popular in salads. But surprisingly, this combination isn't ideal from a nutritional standpoint. The problem lies in how vitamin C interacts with carrots. Cucumbers are packed with vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that boosts your immune system and helps maintain healthy skin. In fact, cucumbers provide about 15% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. However, carrots contain an enzyme called ascorbinase, which destroys vitamin C when you eat cucumbers and carrots together. The enzyme in carrots breaks down the vitamin C in cucumbers, limiting its potential benefits. You don't have to completely avoid this pairing, though. Cooking carrots or adding a bit of lemon juice or vinegar can deactivate the ascorbinase enzyme, allowing you to enjoy both vegetables without losing their nutritional value. Additionally, remember to eat cucumbers with the skin on, as much of their vitamin C is concentrated there. The solution: if you enjoy cucumbers and carrots together, lightly cook the carrots or sprinkle some lemon juice or vinegar on them to preserve the vitamin C. 2. Bananas and cucumbers. While both bananas and cucumbers are often considered healthy options, pairing them together can lead to some undesirable effects. Both foods are rich in potassium, a mineral that's essential for heart health and blood pressure regulation. However, too much potassium from both sources at the same time can disrupt your body's potassium-sodium balance. Excessive potassium intake can lead to muscle weakness, numbness, heart arrhythmias, and even hypotension. When cucumbers and bananas are eaten together, the high potassium content from both foods can cause an imbalance, which may have harmful effects on your body, particularly on the heart and nervous system. The solution: to avoid potassium overload, enjoy cucumbers and bananas separately. You can pair cucumbers with apples instead, as apples provide soluble pectin, a fiber that supports vascular health and strengthens the blood vessels, complementing the heart-healthy benefits of cucumbers. 3. Pickled cucumbers. Pickled cucumbers are a popular snack, but they come with a major downside: excessive salt. The process of pickling involves soaking cucumbers in a brine solution, which often contains large amounts of sodium. While sodium is necessary in small amounts for various bodily functions, consuming too much can lead to high blood pressure, kidney disease, and heart problems. Even though cucumbers are typically low in sodium, pickling them adds an unhealthy amount of salt. If you consume too many pickled cucumbers, you might be putting your health at risk due to the high sodium content. The solution: instead of consuming cucumbers that have been pickled with large amounts of salt, opt for fresh cucumbers or pickle them at home using a small amount of salt. You can also try pairing cucumbers with vinegar to create a healthier alternative. Vinegar has its own health benefits, including helping with brain health, detoxification, and immune function. The 3 best foods to pair with cucumbers. Now that we've covered the foods to avoid, let's explore the 3 best foods to pair with cucumbers for optimal health. When combined with the right ingredients, cucumbers can help improve everything from skin health to detoxification and heart health. 1. Pears and cucumbers. If you want to maximize the health benefits of cucumbers, pair them with pears. Pears, like cucumbers, have cooling properties that help reduce heat from the body. This makes them an excellent choice for detoxification and promoting liver health. The combination of pears and cucumbers helps expel heat from the body without causing any digestive issues or disrupting blood circulation. Both pears and cucumbers are rich in asparagine, a component that helps with detoxification and cleansing the liver, making this pairing particularly beneficial for overall wellness. Pears and cucumbers together are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce symptoms of heat-related conditions such as skin rashes and inflammation. The solution: to enjoy the cooling effects and detox benefits of cucumbers, pair them with fresh pears. Whether you add them to a salad or drink them as a smoothie, this combination will support your liver and overall health. 2. Apples and cucumbers. One of the best pairings for cucumbers is apples. Both cucumbers and apples are great for heart health and blood circulation. Cucumbers are rich in vitamin K, which helps maintain the health of blood vessels and prevents cholesterol buildup in the arteries. Apples, on the other hand, contain pectin, a soluble fiber that helps strengthen blood vessels and improve circulation. Together, cucumbers and apples form a powerful combination for cardiovascular health. This pairing helps lower the risk of conditions like high cholesterol, hypertension, and arteriosclerosis by supporting healthy blood flow and reducing inflammation in the blood vessels. The solution: add fresh apples to your cucumber salad or enjoy them together in a smoothie. This combination will promote better circulation and support your heart health. 3. Vinegar and cucumbers. Another fantastic food to pair with cucumbers is vinegar. Despite its acidic taste, vinegar is actually an alkaline food, which helps balance your body's pH and reduces inflammation in the blood vessels. This makes vinegar an excellent addition to cucumbers, which are also known for their alkaline properties. Vinegar also enhances the absorption of vitamin C from cucumbers, ensuring that you fully benefit from this powerful antioxidant. Additionally, vinegar has been shown to support brain health by improving memory and concentration, thanks to the phycin in cucumbers. The solution: add a splash of vinegar to your cucumber salad or enjoy cucumbers and vinegar as a pickled snack. This combination will not only improve your brain health but also help with detoxification and support your immune system. Conclusion: maximizing the health benefits of cucumbers. In conclusion, while cucumbers are incredibly healthy, pairing them with the right foods is essential for maximizing their nutritional value. By avoiding combinations like cucumbers with carrots, bananas, and pickled cucumbers, and opting for pairings like cucumbers with pears, apples, and vinegar, you can boost the health benefits of this refreshing vegetable. Remember, pair cucumbers with pears for detoxification and liver health. Avoid cucumbers with bananas to prevent an excess of potassium. Skip pickled cucumbers and choose fresh cucumbers with vinegar instead for better nutrient absorption. By incorporating these smart pairings into your diet, you can make sure you're getting the maximum health benefits from cucumbers. So, the next time you enjoy this versatile vegetable, be mindful of what you pair it with, and you'll reap the rewards for your overall well-being.